Hello children, and welcome to Agri Science class, Basic 3. My name is Igwe Livinus Santity, and our topic is balanced diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet contains the essential food substance that the body needs. Balanced diet contains the essential food substances that the body needs. Yes. There are different foods that we eat. In our homes, that encompasses what we call balanced diet. Like I said, balanced diet contains the essential food substances that the body needs for healthy growth. Let's see examples of those essential food substances in bracket balanced diet. Carbohydrate. And the food that gives carbohydrate are: one, we have rice, we have yam. Next one is protein. Protein is a very nice part of balanced diet. Examples of protein-giving food are: one, we have meat. We have meat. Chicken. Do you eat chicken? It's a very sweet meat and it's a good food. Next one is vitamin. Examples of vitamin giving food are fruits. We have different fruits. Look at this one. This is mango. Mango is a very good vitamin source. Next, we have banana. It's a very good vitamin source. In fact, all the fruits we eat contain vitamin. See this one. It's an apple. It's a fruit. So, it's vitamin giving food. Even guava, it's a vitamin giving food. Next one is orange. See orange structure here? An orange. An orange is vitamin giving food. Vitamin C, they call it. This is an orange. That's very good. Next one is mineral salt. Examples of mineral salt supplements are fruits, vegetables. And lastly, we have fat and oil supplement as part of this balanced diet. Now, red oil is a very good source of oil. It's a very good source of oil that your body needs to grow healthy because it's part of the balanced diet or food that will help your body to be strong and resist disease or illness. Balanced diet makes us healthy and prevent illness. Next is effect of unbalanced diet. Effect of unbalanced diet. Effect of unbalanced diet. Effect of unbalanced diet. If a child does not eat balanced diet, he or she will have what is called stunted growth. If a child does not eat balanced diet, he or she will suffer or have what is called stunted growth. It means reduction in growth. 2, he will have a thin body. Such child will have a thin body with a very big stomach. And this is called kwashiorkor. 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 The child will be very, very thin, like a broom with a very big stomach. That is the next thing. Next one is that every time we telling your parents, I'm not feeling fine, I'm having headache, you won't be strong, because that food has to strengthen you to perform or to do your daily routines, your daily work. Those things are the effects of an unbalanced food. That is why it's very important for you to eat balanced food. Because if it does not eat that balanced food, you will not grow healthy. You will have kwashiorkor. You will not have strength to read your books. So try to eat balanced food. Tell your parents to give you balanced diet. With this now, I hope you've seen the importance of eating balanced diet. Try to eat them, for it will help you, your brain, to function very well. You will reason very well, you read your book and understand, and even remember anything you read. So, try to work with balanced diet. As we meet next class to continue different topic, stay tuned and have a nice day.